In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Vimeo when it's not working. Whether you're getting ready to present an important project, need to watch that must-see video, or just want to catch up on your favorite content, it can be incredibly frustrating when Vimeo isn't cooperating. But don't worry, we're going to walk through some straightforward troubleshooting steps to get things back on track. First, let's start with the basics, checking your internet connection. Often a slow or unstable connection can be the culprit when videos won't load smoothly. To verify this, try opening other websites like YouTube or Google. If these sites are struggling to load as well, there might be an issue with your network. In such cases, you could try switching your connection. For instance, if you're on Wi-Fi, see if mobile data delivers better performance, or flip back to Wi-Fi if you're already using mobile data. Sometimes giving your router a quick restart can also do the trick, as it helps refresh the network connection and can resolve any underlying issues. Once you've ensured that your internet connection is stable, the next step is to refresh or restart your Vimeo session. Begin by simply refreshing the Vimeo page. If that doesn't help, close and reopen the browser or the Vimeo app you're using. This can help clear any glitches that might be causing streaming issues. It can also be beneficial to restart your entire device, which can close any lingering processes or applications that might be interfering with Vimeo's performance. If refreshing doesn't yield success, using incognito or private mode can sometimes help address the problem. Private browsing lets you bypass any browser extensions that might interfere with Vimeo and offers a fresh session free from cached data. In Chrome, you can open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N, and in Firefox or Edge, the private mode shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+P. Troubleshooting video issues often benefits from this clean slate approach, which can identify if any settings or extensions are affecting the performance. Another helpful step is to check Vimeo's server status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end, but rather with Vimeo itself. Visiting their status page can provide insights into any widespread outages or issues. If you find that Vimeo is experiencing downtime, you might just need to sit tight and wait for their team to resolve it. Finally, if none of these troubleshooting steps seem to work, it might be time to reach out for help. Contacting Vimeo support via help.vimeo.com can connect you with their customer service team, who can assist with more specific and technical solutions. Hopefully with these steps you'll be back to enjoying your Vimeo videos in no time. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.